everyone, it's Lori. Welcome back to Pizazz Studios, and I'm working on a commission piece today, and I just want to go over and close my window real quick. My apologies. I forgot to close that before I hit record, but I didn't want to have all that background noise on the video. Okay, so I'm all set here. So today what I'm working on is I have a commission I'm doing. This is the second one of an order that I got for 2 paintings. The first one was a 24 by 24. This is the second one. I'm using a level 2 canvas, and it's a 14 by 18 inch canvas. I'm doing a Dutch pour, so I'm going to go ahead and cover my canvas. I have my white here. I'm going to use for a base, all mixed up. Everything's ready to go. So I'm going to start by flooding my canvas here with the white paint. The client wanted just silver, gray, a little bit of black, and white, obviously. So this is what I've got to work with. So the first one I've already done. Like I said, that was a 24 by 24 inch canvas. Level 2 as well. That one they absolutely loved. So now I'm starting the second one. So I'm going to go ahead and spread out all my paint here and cover the canvas. I'm going to speed this part of the video up for you. Okay, this looks good. I'm going to torch the air bubbles. This looks very nice. Now I do have the other painting I was talking about, the 24 by 24 here behind me, so let me show you what that looks like real quick. Alright, so here we go. I'm hoping the camera picks it up well, but this is the 24 by 24, the Dutch pour, and I used some same colors I'm going to use today, black, silver, gray. A little bit tough picking up on the metallic here, but I do have metallic silver in this. I'm going to get my phone to focus for us. But it came out really lovely. There's some really pretty cells in here. It just came out really nice, so they're very pleased with it. So I have to go ahead to make the next one, which is what I'm working on now, the 14 by 18. So I thought I'd just give you a quick shot of what that one looked like. It was hanging on the wall behind us here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just, I'm gonna go sort of diagonally here and blow it out with my hair dryer. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put down the gray. I have them in my bottles with a couple marbles, which keeps the paints loose in here when I shake it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the gray, black, and silver. Okay, looks good. There we go. They specifically said not a lot of black, mostly silver and gray. So that's why I didn't lay down too much black. These are custom colors aside from the black, which is oxide black from Amsterdam. I couldn't find the right silver that I wanted, so I created my own. Well, all the ones I were finding were either too dark or too light. I mean, one was almost like white. It was so light. So. Now I'm going to blow this out. I'm going to torch again. That's better. Oh, is this looking pretty? These colors are neat. The way they're reacting together, it looks nice. pretty. I think I want a little bit more going on over here though, so I'm gonna add a little more paint down here. Much better, okay, much more happier with this, thankfully. This is looking very nice. The thing with fluid art, you never really quite know what you're gonna get. All right, so now I'm gonna blow this out a little bit. Done. This looks awesome. So I'm just going to clean the bottom of this. Clean off any drippings I have underneath so it doesn't continue to pull my paint down from the top of the canvas. These can be tough colors to work with, especially, you know, I mean, they are what they are. Silver black, you know, a little bit of black, so basically more silver and gray. It's kind of tough, but I think these came out really nice. I have some cells in there, which is nice. They like cells, and the compositions, I like them a lot. I think they look very nice. Let me give you a close-up on this one. Okay. So, go down here. Zoom in a little more here for you. So that's that. That's my 14 by 18 commission piece to match the 24 by 24 that I showed you on the wall towards the beginning of the video. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much. Leave me any comments or questions. If you're interested in any commission work, please email me. That is down in the description box for you. And you can see my artworks and finished pieces on PizzazZstudios.com. And I look forward to hearing from you. And I'll see you again soon on the next video. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.